Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using the powerful design tool Canva. Thumbnails are essential for attracting viewers to your videos, so let's dive in and create stunning thumbnails that will make your channel stand out. The first step is to access Canva. If you don't already have an account, head over to canva.com and sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start designing. After logging in, click on Create a Design at the top right corner of the Canva dashboard. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail, and you'll find a range of ready-made templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails. Choose the one that suits your style and content. Now comes the fun part, customizing your thumbnail. Canva makes it super easy to edit the template. You can change the background color, add images, text, and more to make your thumbnail unique. If you prefer to use your own images, no worries. Simply click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and upload your image or logo. Drag and drop it onto the canvas to add a personal touch to your thumbnail. To make your thumbnail more compelling, add some text that entices viewers to click on your video. You can use catchy titles, keywords, and any relevant text that highlights what your video is about. Canva offers a wide selection of fonts to choose from. Select a font that matches your video's tone and your channel's branding. Avoid using too many fonts to keep the design clean and professional. Enhance your thumbnail's visual appeal by adding elements and icons from Canva's library. These can help illustrate the video's topic or add a creative touch to your design. Once you're happy with your design, take a moment to review the thumbnail. Check for any spelling errors or visual inconsistencies. When you're confident with the result, click on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. Canva allows you to download your thumbnail in various formats. For YouTube, it's best to save it as a JPG or PNG file. These formats maintain the image quality and are compatible with YouTube's requirements. Congratulations! You've created an awesome YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Thank you for joining me today in this Canva tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you'll create amazing thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative tips and tutorials. Happy designing and see you next time.